Tout is a wonderful application we use at DFM to get video content to our readers in real time. We can take 45-second videos using the film function on the Tout application and record them, add a caption, and upload them to our Tout stream and simultaneously Facebook and Twitter. Then if we're DFM employees, it should show up on the widget on our company's website. The one thing about Tout is that when you start the program and start recording, it allows you to start and stop the camera, but those transitions are abrupt. One thing you can do is pre-record your video and choose a file from your camera roll. Now that's a very powerful tool. But it gets even more powerful if you build a movie in iMovie. So in this case, we'll start a new movie. You just hit Movie. Pretty self-explanatory. There's a bunch of themes in iMovie. I always use the modern one. It's very clean, the type is easy to read, and it doesn't really distract from your material. So let's create a movie. And all you have to do to insert media is, it's easier to work in horizontal mode, is tap the little film strip. This film strip icon will allow you to choose sections of video that you have pre-recorded. Let's choose this one. Tap the same icon. Choose that video. Tap the media icon one more time and choose one more video. Now here's something really important. It's a time code. The video I put together is 1 minute 57 seconds. Nice thing is, if we go to the transitions and hit the play button,
the rest of the museum is circulation.
We get a nice smooth transition between clips. Now, I happen to know that I could trim this clip down right about there. And the center clip can be trimmed, but you just select the clip and it turns yellow, and then grab the edge. And the playhead will move as you move your finger. Maybe about there. I want to trim it from this end as well. I want to trim this clip. And I want to trim this clip from the beginning. So we select it. Slide the slider over so the playhead is about where we want it. At this point, we can scroll to the end. We're at 41 seconds. We're doing pretty well for a Tout. If we wanted to add more media, we could choose a photograph or even audio. This audio can be pre-recorded or from the iTunes selection. Let's go back to the movie itself. I know that in this first clip, it was very windy. And the wind hitting the microphone can be very distracting. So if you hit the information button here, you'll see that you get some choices. The most important choice here is the audio slider. Those wind noises cut down a bit will be a lot less distracting. So now we have a 41-second movie. It's ready to go. And we take the movie, we save it, right to our camera roll. This is great. We've not only picked the video selections we want, but we've cut them to the places we want to see them. And in the case of a speaker who's speaking for maybe 2 minutes, you can scroll around to the most important 45 seconds pertinent to the story you're working on. So this is a wonderful way to build a tout, and it only takes a few minutes. Great. Now that it's copying it to the camera roll, we'll be able to see it in tout. Open tout, create a tout, tap the Add a File, tap the camera roll, and this is the movie we just created in iMovie. Smooth transitions, adjusted audio, and a cleaner looking presentation. Now, our tout is filled. The camera's blank simply because it's sitting on a table. And we hit the check mark. Tout thinks about it for a second. It actually formats it for tout. And our complete movie is ready for captioning, sharing on Facebook or Twitter, and your readers.